is your birthday?
Next week. Why?
Nothing. Just checking. Body here. Suspension springs here. Every can locks tight. Blue, red, yellow, green. Perfect. Oh. Happy birthday, Papa.
Pee-pee. Pee-pee.
Did you build this?
Happy birthday, Papa. 3 nights. My brilliant son. Do you love it, Papa? Oh?
More than anything.
Watch her go, son!
Gio, Papa! Gio! Gio!
Yeah! Oh! Happy birthday to me! A truck made of garbage cans, and every passerby actually staring at it. That pathetic pile of tin cans dares to drive on my boulevard? Keep going! That pathetic pile of tin cans dares to drive on my boulevard?
Don't be sad, Papa. We can build it again. We will build something even better together.
You're right, son. Together.
Papa! Look at me. We are going to build something better. Something that makes campfire look like a warm-up.
Everything we need is in here, Papa.
I can feel it. Papa, bow! Whoop-a-wee! Look at that wheel!
That is exactly what we need. I know, Gran. Almost there. The chair.
Counterclockwise, Papa Bow. Firm and steady. That is everything on the list.
We have everything, Papa.
Everything.
Nearly there, son.
Oh, Pokati helping, Papa.
I am helping, Papa.
Batmobile body. 4 massive tires. White LED underglow. Twin exhaust.
It fits perfectly, Papa Dale.
Look at it.
3 more to go. Keep the momentum.
Left side brace needs 2 passes burrow. Papa, make it solid.
Already on it. Eyes on the next joint. All 4. Stand back and look at it.
Papa.
It is already incredible. Perfect fit. Green LED strips GAR, full underglow, rim rings, front grille bars, all synchronized.
Linking them all to one switch. Hold on.
Papa Fun, that is incredible! There she is. Son,
It's Han.
we built this.
We built this, Papa.
Oh. No! Ah! What is that? How fast does it go? Fast enough. Race me. Desert course. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, Cray. Desert course. Are you ready to see what she can do?
Phantom was built for exactly this, Papa.
First to the far dune and back. No rules. Let's go. Finish, Max. See you up in Glodactyl.
Papa! Papa! Careful! Be careful!
No! Yeah! Steady! Let her breathe! Move over, Max!
Straight down the other side. I cut the whole course in half.
Oh no! Poppy!
Where are you? I am coming!
Guster, are you hurt?
I am all right. Stay still. There we go. Why are you helping me? After what I did to? Because you needed help. That is the only reason that matters.
I destroyed something you build with love, and you came back to help me. I am sorry, truly. You said sorry, and you meant it. That is all that matters. Thank you for coming back. I have been alone a long time. I thought winning was the same as being worth something.
It is not. But you know that now.
Papava, did you see the size of that axle housing? We could use that on the next build.
We will talk about it. First, inside. Paws first, son.
They are just a little dusty, Papa.
Come with me to the sink. I want to show you something.
What do you see?
Whoa.
Dust, oil, some rust.
Now,
Now,
what do you not see?
On your paws right now, Raipi. Living things too small for any eye to see. We call them germs. You were reaching for this. If you had touched it with these paws,
All the dots go on to the...
and then in your mouth, and then into your mouth.
the path is always the same. Paw touches
Surface, paw touches food, food enters body.
Wet, soap, every surface Y between every finger, all the way around. 20 seconds minimum, not 10, not a quick rinse. Same paws, different story.
How long does the soap need to work?
20 seconds, count them. Your brain needs to learn the full time, not a short version of it.
2, 3, 4. They look completely different. They are completely different.
Junkyard. Workshop. Before food, after the bathroom, after touching anything from outside. One rule always same.
Same bread,
Bread.
better paws.
And now your body does not have to fight tonight. It can rest and be ready for tomorrow's build instead.
Papa,
When do germs become dangerous? Are they always dangerous?
most germs your body handles easily on its own.
This is your simplest armor. It costs nothing. It takes 20 seconds, and it works every single time you use it.
A tap and 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Every surface.
I count. Good morning, son.